Picture this, you're standing in front of an old dusty storefront on Main Street. The windows are covered, the sign is faded, and everyone in town just walks past it. Most people see a dead space, but you're about to see a gold mine, because that empty storefront isn't a problem. It's potential. And today I'm showing you 12 ways to make serious money from an empty storefront, even if you don't own it, don't have a ton of cash, and don't want to start a traditional brick-and-mortar business. We're talking smart, creative, low-cost ways to turn that forgotten space into a cash-generating asset. Whether it's in your town or you're leasing one for cheap, each of these ideas can bring in $2,000 to $10,000 a month depending on your setup and hustle. So, let's turn that empty space into a money-making machine. 1. Pop-up retail rentals. Startup cost, $500, $2,000 potential profit, $2,000, $6,000 month. Short-term retail is exploding right now. Take that empty storefront and transform it into a rotating pop-up space for local brands, online sellers, or Etsy makers who want to sell in person for a weekend or two. Charge $300, $800 per weekend per vendor. Host multiple at once. It's flexible, low risk, and creates buzz in your town, while you pocket consistent income from a space you barely have to manage. 2. Photo and content studio startup. Cost, $1,000, $3,000 potential profit, $3,000, $8,000 month. Turn those empty walls into a creative backdrop paradise. Influencers, photographers, and even small business owners need aesthetic spaces to shoot photos and videos. All you need are backdrops, lights, and a few props, and suddenly you're renting your space at $50, $100 per hour. Offer memberships for unlimited shoots or host workshops for creators. Your empty storefront becomes the hotspot for every local content creator. 3. Co-working or shared office space. Startup cost, $1,500, $4,000 potential profit, $3,000, $10,000 month. Small towns have freelancers, remote workers, and business owners who don't want to work from home anymore. You can divide your storefront into small desks, install Wi-Fi, coffee machines, and create a mini co-working space. Charge $100, $250 month per member. With just 20 members, you're clearing $4K plus a month. Add value with a conference room or business mailbox service, and suddenly your empty shop becomes a professional hub. 4. Weekend market hall startup cost, $1,000, $2,500 potential profit, $2,000, $7,000 month. Imagine hosting a weekend-only indoor market featuring local artisans, food vendors, vintage resellers, and crafters. You charge vendors $50, $100 per booth, and they bring the foot traffic. You could even theme it, Farmhouse Fridays or Makers Market Saturdays. The key? Community plus consistency, Harn's cash flow. If you're loving these ideas, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop more game-changing business ideas. And if you're serious about turning your empty space into a cash flow machine, check out our exclusive guides and courses below, packed with templates, systems, and step-by-step launch plans. 5. Small event venue startup. Cost $2,500, $3,000 potential profit, $3,000, $9,000 month. If your storefront has charm, exposed brick, wood floors, or good lighting, it's perfect for micro events. Think bridal showers, photo sessions, pop-up dinners, or small business launches. Charge $300, stalled doors, in dolphin, charge or dead or sards. $600 per event, plus add-ons for setup, chairs, or catering partners. You'll have bookings every weekend once word spreads. 6. Workshop and class space. Startup cost, $800, $2,000 potential profit, $2,000, $6,000 month. Transform it into a community education hub. Offer the space to yoga instructors, painting teachers, cooking coaches, or even small business training sessions. You can rent hourly, or take a 20% cut of each class. It's consistent, easy to manage, and builds long-term connections. 7. Storage rentals for small businesses. Startup cost, $500, $1,500 potential profit, $2,500, $5,000 month. Many small-town businesses need affordable storage, not full warehouses. Partition your storefront into secure mini storage sections or climate-controlled spots for local vendors, artists, or online sellers. Charge $100, $250 month per unit, depending on size. It's steady, low-maintenance income from an otherwise idle space. 8. Local art gallery and gift shop startup cost, $1,000, $2,500 potential profit, $3,000, $7,000 month curate local artists' work, handmade goods, and regional products. You can sell on commission, meaning you don't buy inventory, you simply take 30–40% of each sale. Add art events, live music nights, or sip and shop evenings for extra cash and exposure. Your shop becomes an experience, not just a store. 9. Ghost kitchen, food prep space. Startup. Cost, $2,000, $5,000 potential profit, $4,000, $10,000 month. If your space already has plumbing or a kitchen setup, you can turn it into a shared commercial kitchen for food entrepreneurs, caterers, bakers, food truck owners. They all need licensed kitchen space. Charge $25 or $50 hour or monthly memberships for consistent use. You'll have zero food risk but steady rent coming in every month. 10. Micro gym or fitness studio startup. Cost, $1,500, $4,000 potential profit, $3,000, $8,000 month. Turn that empty storefront into a fitness hub. Host small group classes, yoga, strength, dance, or boxing. You don't even have to teach. Rent it to local trainers for $25, $50 hour. Add memberships later for recurring income. Small space, big gains, literally and financially. 11. E-commerce fulfillment and pickup center startup cost. $1,000, $3,000 potential profit, $3,000, $8,000 month. Perfect if you or others sell products online. Use the storefront as a storage, packaging, and local pickup hub for online orders. Offer fulfillment services for small local brands who can't afford warehouses. Add a small retail section up front for walk-ins, and you've got both online and offline income streams. 12. Seasonal or rotating theme shop startup cost, $1,000, $3,000 potential profit, $2,500, $7,000 month. Keep things fresh. Every few months transform the store into a new concept, a Halloween pop-up, a Christmas shop, a Valentine's boutique. You can sell theme merchandise, decor, or experiences. It keeps locals curious and always coming back for what's next. Bonus idea: the revenue stack strategy. Don't limit your storefront to just one idea. Why not combine them? Use the front for retail pop-ups, the back for photography or storage, and host weekend events. Layered income streams mean if one slows down, the others keep cash flowing. That's how small operators build real wealth, not by doing more but by using what they already have smarter. Let's recap the 12 ways. Pop-up retail rentals, 2K 6K month photo and content studio, 3K 8K month co-working space, 3K 10K month weekend market hall, 2K 7K month small event venue, 3K 9K month workshop class space, 2K 6K month storage rentals, 2.5K 5K month art gallery and gift shop, 3K 7K month ghost kitchen, 4K 10K month micro gym fitness studio, 3K 8K month e-commerce fulfillment hub, 3K 8K month seasonal theme shop, 2.5K 7K month. Every single one can work in small towns or big cities, because creativity beats location every time. Remember, you don't need the perfect business idea, you just need to start using what you already have. That empty storefront is waiting for someone bold enough to see its value. And that someone might as well be you. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your empire, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time, right here on Kingdom Cash.